Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to leave a Telegram group or channel. I will just tap on my Telegram application on my device. So simply if you have a group or channel, so I will just tap on it my group, and there are 3 members of this group, and you will just tap on it the username on top. So you will see there's a option is video chat, mute, search and more. So you will be just tap on it 3 dots of more, and if you want to leave this group, so simply just tap on it leave. And if you are admin of this group, so you will just have to delete the entire group, so you will just tap on it delete group. So in this way you will just have to leave a Telegram group or channel easily. So simply hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.